In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to create board rule automations. First, go to Trello and log into your account. Once you're in, open the specific board where you want to add automation. This is important because Trello automations are created at the board level, so each board can have its own unique set of rules depending on your workflow. Inside the board, look for the automation option in the board menu and click it. From there, choose Rules. This is where Trello lets you create automations that respond to certain actions, like moving a card, adding a due date, or making changes to a task. Next, click Create Automation. Now you'll start building the rule itself. The first thing you need to do is add a trigger. Click to add a trigger, then select the one you want to use. For example, a common trigger is card move to list. That means the automation will start whenever a card is moved into a specific list on your board. After choosing the trigger, you can customize it based on what you need. For example, you might want the rule to apply only when a card is moved into a certain list instead of any list. Setting this up carefully helps make your automation more useful and avoids actions happening when you don't want them to. Once the trigger looks right, click the blue plus icon to add the next part. Now select an action. This is what Trello will do when the trigger happens. For example, you can choose Add Label or Assign Member. Actions are what make the automation valuable because they save you from doing repetitive work manually. Just like with triggers, you can also customize the action to fit your process. Maybe you want Trello to add a specific label or assign a certain team member automatically. After setting that up, click the blue plus icon again to add it in. When everything looks good, click Save. Your board rule automation is now created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can repeat this process anytime you need additional rules. Many boards work better with multiple automations, especially if you have different stages in your workflow. After creating a rule, test it by performing the trigger action yourself. For example, if your trigger is moving a card to a list, move a test card there and make sure the action happens as expected. Testing is a good habit because it helps you catch setup issues right away. If you ever need to make changes, go back to Automation, then Rules, select the rule, and click Edit. If you want to temporarily stop a rule without removing it, go to Automation, then Rules, and toggle it off. And if you no longer need a rule at all, open Automation, go to Rules, select the rule, and click Delete. And that's it. You now know how to create, test, edit, disable, and delete board rule automations in Trello.